Phantek Reviews presents Skytech Blaze 3.0 AMD Ryzen 7 3700X Gaming Desktop PC. Please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to get the latest videos. Also, check out the link to this product in the description below to get it at the best possible price. More than advertised. The pre-built I've received is honestly really good for the price. Didn't do a teardown of the PC, but here's what information I could get. While the GPU is random, so others might get an RTX 3080 of a different brand. I got a Gigabyte Gaming OC, which is one of the better aftermarket RTX 3080s. I also received a 16GB 3600MHz XPG RAMs, though I don't know what it is specifically because I can't find anything that looks like it. The MOBO I got was unfortunately not the best, as I got the Asus B550A Prime. Would rather get a normal B550 or an F or B550E. Got a Ryzen 7, but the product page is wrong, as according to MSI Afterburner, it's an 8-core 16-thread CPU, not an 8-core 8-thread. Also, noise wasn't really an issue, as it's relatively quiet, for me at least. It's a really good pre-built for the price. The AIO I got was their own brand. Also received free RGB keyboard and mouse of their own brand as well. Overall, I definitely recommend that you check out this gaming PC because it's been great for me for the price so far. Here's a bit more information about this gaming PC. Brand Skytech Gaming. CPU model AMD Ryzen 7. RAM 16GB. RAM memory installed is also 16GB. Series Blaze 3.0. The AMD Ryzen 7 3700X 8-core 8-thread 3.6GHz 4.4GHz max boost CPU. Seagate FireCuda 520M.2 2280 1TB PCIe Gen 4x4 NVMe 1.3 internal solid state drive. B550 motherboard. GeForce RTX 3080 10GB GDDR6X graphics card. Brand may vary. 16GB of DDR4, 3600MHz gaming memory, Windows 10 Home 64-bit, 802.11 AC, no bloatware, graphics output options including HDMI and DisplayPort, minimum 8 USB ports including 2.0, 3.0, and 3.2 ports, HD audio and mic, free gaming keyboard and mouse also included. 3 ARGB dual ring fans for maximum airflow, powered by 80 plus certified 750 watt gold power supply, 120mm ARGB AIO liquid cool, Phantek metallic gear Neo Air black edition with front mesh case, 1-year warranty on parts and labor, lifetime free technical support, assembled in the USA. This powerful gaming PC is capable of running all of your favorite games, such as World of Warcraft, League of Legends, Grand Theft Auto 5, Apex Legends, Fortnite, Roblox, Players Unknown's, Battlegrounds, Overwatch, Counter-Strike Global Offensive, Battlefield 5, Minecraft, The Division 2, and more at ultra settings, detailed 1440p Quad HD resolution, and smooth 60 plus frames per second gameplay. Thank you for watching this video. All the details for this product are in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to our channel for more videos like this one. Also, if you liked it, please consider giving it a thumbs up.